wander around and.
Yeah. Yeah, that is the deal. Especially meant for just for pulling. You know?
Here we are in, this is the other yard in downtown Lillooet. And we're just commenting on what this setup is here. With the drawbar and these long tracks. So I'll have to look this one up when we get home, see what this is all about. Interesting looking machine. Different. Don't think I've ever seen anything like that. Also it's modified for a purpose or whatever. We'll figure that out sooner or later. I have no idea whose gear this is or whoever these guys are, LW. Old tank drill. Hammer on there. It looks like it's not in bad shape. You can't tell until you fire it up or whatnot, but it says somebody took the time to put some paint on it and whatnot. Big D6, rippers. Grapple attachment. Stroke delimiter. This guy's got good stuff, eh, Brian? Yeah. Yeah, no kidding. Gotta get around the other side and get the sun behind me. Holy smokes. Yeah, this guy's got good toys. All the attachments in the back. Got some blasting mats. 330 with a high cab. Nice setup, good working lights, heavy duty. Awesome. Got her all lined up just so. Holy smokes. Must have used a laser to park these things. Must have all come out of a camp somewhere or something. Goodies, grapples, hoses for the tank drill. Oh, I never even noticed the boneyard in the back here. Ripper. .235, still in awesome shape all by itself too. Huh. Just waiting for a contract. All you need is a job and a couple of low bed rides, and away you go. Take all this iron, log into the bush. Wonder what the story is. cat wagon with the box off, and I guess the box is down at the other side there. I can't believe how good this stuff is, and it's just all
Sitting here doing nothing.
yeah, it's
That's not right.
in nice shape. Even the older stuff there, it's just not too bad.
All nicely parked.
Yeah.
Obviously somebody's taking good care of this stuff.
Yeah.
Well, you know, you can't make money with junk.
True enough.
But they're not doing anything with this stuff.
No. Yeah, I would love to know what the story was. Like I said, they took great care to park the stuff.
Times are tough, I guess. They're looking for work. It's mostly logging equipment by the looks of it.
Yeah.
I know what's going on with logging.
Yeah.
Lots of market, but not much timber. That's a custom-made log loader right there, a Cat 330.
Yeah.
High cab, high walker.
Yeah.
All plumbed and rigged for logging for grapple.
Oh yeah, look at all the lights and the bottom windows here.
Yeah, for working at night.
Yeah.
Yeah. I hope they're doing alright.
That's quite the setup. Yeah, they put a lot of thought and a few bucks into this baby. But not really seeing. Oh yeah, there's where the cab's gonna tilt forward here. And pretty cool. Well, Brian, should we go and go to the farm, get some veggies?
Some tomatoes?
Absolutely, that's what we're here for. We have serious work to do.
Zucchini?